So I got this off. It's pretty nasty. Looks like this was leaking. This is a little rubber gasket. I don't know how well you can see down in there, but it's pretty good buildup of soot in there. So I want to clean all that shit out. All that stuff's going right into your engine. Fucking awesome idea for emissions there, dummies. Fucking idiots. Whoever came up with that shit. Just put fucking nice diesel fucking soot right back into your fucking intake. Yeah, this was leaking or something. It's just a rubber little O-ring. But look at all the buildup of soot right here. Look at this. It's like fucking 1/8 of an inch thick of soot in there. That's what comes off directly off the EGR valve. Look at that. So yeah, it hasn't been cleaned in a long time. Probably, I don't know. So it looks like it's been off there before, but I don't know. So we'll see. But now I'm going to take that tube off. It goes down to the EGR valve. Take that sensor out, and then take this intake off.